Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming which Apple ID you will move Game Center to and making a quick backup. This prevents surprises. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Game Center. Tap your Apple ID at the top and choose Sign Out. This immediately disconnects the current ID from Game Center. Make sure you remember the target account credentials. You will need them in the next step. If two-factor is enabled, have your trusted device nearby to approve sign-in. Now sign back into Game Center using the new Apple ID. Tap Sign In and enter the email and password for that account. Once you submit, expect a two-factor prompt, approve it on a trusted device or via SMS so the sign-in completes. After successful login, check your Game Center profile. Nickname, friends list, and achievements should start syncing. If you use multiple devices, repeat this sign-in on each so progress and multiplayer invites route to the new account consistently. To finalize, restart the device to force a fresh sync and open a few games to confirm progress links to the new Apple ID. Make sure iCloud settings and App Store use the same Apple ID where appropriate, since mixed accounts can split purchases and saves. If something goes wrong, like lost achievements or a merged account you didn't expect, sign out again, verify account emails, and contact Apple support for account recovery. One key tip: don't create duplicate ID. Use account recovery to avoid data fragmentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.